How we doing, guys? This is Benny from Arundel Ford. Hey, let's start this off. I'm gonna be showing you guys an Escape, all right? And the Escapes are pretty epic. You know, they give me a lot of good, amazing feedback from all of my customers that come in with them. And, you know, throughout the years, Ford has proven that they are just strong, resilient, tough, and at the heart of a line. And the one thing that Ford hasn't changed, I mean, hey, over the years, the body styles changed, the interiors changed, colors have changed. But one thing that Ford hasn't switched up is how tough they make these things. This is a 2023 Escape ST line. I love this color. Got a new look here on the grill. They're just really sharpening this car up for sure. Exterior wise, it's a head turner big time. Oh yeah. Now let's check the inside out. Oh yeah, now this is how I like to get down. You got some interior red stitching. A new look on the screen there. Active X material, power, driver and passenger seats. Oh yeah. Got your Android Apple CarPlay right down there. This comes equipped with a heated steering wheel, heated seats. I love this new screen. Got the active cruise control, lane departure. Your blind spot's always rocking and rolling. I'm rocking and now I'm rolling as we speak. These are configured in a lot of different ways now. I love the ST line. Ooh, geez, beep, 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 pop, pop, pop. My manager, Ashley Tradeswell, actually, she told me, Benny, the people need to see this vehicle. So she sent me out here to jump in this thing to kind of give you guys a little 360 walk around, whole 9 yards. I stand, oh, look at the new, ooh, I like that. You know, flat bottom on the steering wheel there. This is just such a sleek ride, and it is in need of a home and in need of a new owner. If you want to learn a little bit more about this vehicle, I mean, it's pretty epic to me, and I'm sure it can be epic to you. Give me a call, 207-710-9701. We can schedule a time to take it for a little ride, and hey, we'll see if it's the one for you. All right, guys, have a great day. Once again, Benny from Arundel Ford. Peace out.